Good evening, this is Coach Baker. This is May 15th, Friday night, and we just got through with training here in Crowley, Texas. And before I get started, I want to remind you of these computers, one on this side and one on this side. I use these computers to do what I do. That great singer Ray Charles once said, "Make it do." But I want to let you know that this was a rather, well, let me give you some background on this word terrific. When I was a kid, that was this stick figure cartoon that used to come on every morning, and the title of it was Tom Terrific. And he used to always say, at the end of the show, T-rific. We had a T-rific week last week. Again, this is Coach Baker. Team Red River Connection coming to you. It's Friday night, and after a terrific night, we're just finishing up some of it tonight. We're still putting in sales from on Thursday night there. And ladies and gentlemen, I just want to tell you that if you have prospects that you want to sell on the business, to recruit, all you have to do is bring them out to one of our meetings, and we will sell your customers and get paid. I can't seem to get that through some of my agents' head. You need to just bring your people out. We sell the people. You sign them up. You get paid. That's our job. You're up late to do. Now, we are going into, I want to tell somebody, I know some of you are looking to recruit people. You've had people approach you to be recruited into the business, and some of them might be saying things like, well, I don't have the money, or what have you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's important for you to get on the coach's call, because some important news and information come out of those calls. Now, in this coming month, starting tomorrow, there's a special going on, and if you don't know about that special or you didn't get the email, you give me a call so I can tell you about it. You can get people recruited into your upline very easily during this bliss. I need to explain to you what you need to do. There's some special qualifications that people have to meet. That's a difficult thing to do, though. Now, again, we also still doing three-way calls. If you have someone that you've talked to and you are not sure if you've given them the right information, then you need to dial my number and you introduce them to me and let me talk to them. And 9 times out of 10, I think that I will have you signing that person up when I get through with them. I did some outreach on my own. Just like I said, I have reached to the state of Georgia, and I have some people down there that's doing some distributing for me, and they're going to bring the names back to me. I'm going to get them signed up, and as a result of that, I'm going to go ahead on and get them signed up as distributors, because I think that's ultimately what they want to do. Get signed up as distributors and make some extra cash helping people. That's what we're all about, helping people. And that's the way we have to approach it, ladies and gentlemen, as helping President Obama. He's doing an excellent job, I think. But we have a part that we need to do also. Not change the way people spend money or make more money available to be spent. America is a country that runs on credit. Now, and with that in mind, I want you to remind you, keep going out and talking to people. More and more people are saying it's no joke. Something has to be done. If they're ever going to get that situation straight, something has to be done. And ladies and gentlemen, I've seen a $150,000 house that went up for auction for $9,000 on the auction block for $9,000. All the person had to do was make that one bid, and they had another house right here in my neighborhood. Another $150,000 house. It went on sale for $35,000. Any lending institution, if you have decent credit, $35,000 for a $150,000 house, I guarantee you, is having good credit. This is the way you need to let your talk, let them know what they can do if their credit is right. And you have all the time they're out there trying to buy this and buy that, and they can't do it because their credit. well, you need to approach them with what they need to do to get that credit away, so that next time they see one of those bargains, they'll be in position to take advantage of it. Now, people talk about positioning, but now we're talking about putting it into action. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Friday night. I will try to do another tape probably on Saturday after we come back in, because we're going out to talk to a few people on Saturday. We are busy, but we're not too busy for you. If you catch us on the weekend, catch us in enough time, we will schedule you into our agenda, and we will make it to your location. Particularly if you are here in the Dallas-Fort Worth region, or you are in the Oklahoma area somewhere. California, a little bit difficult right now, but we're planning on getting you on our circuit also. Well, my distributor that I have out there, I won't put your name up on the air like this in front of everybody else, but we are planning on getting you on our circuit. Now, this is your Coach Baker. It's getting a little bit late here, and I'm running my time as far as my time goes on my tape. I will put the phone number and my email address up at the end of the tape. I want to encourage you to keep talking to people, keep handing out the material. Remember that 10 on 10 work. That is, you go out and give 10 people the debit card, recruit 10 people for the debit card. Then you help them to go out and recruit 10 people. Ladies and gentlemen, when you do that 7 times, you have made $1 million. Now, that goes back to that penny a day, double every day. 10 on 10. You can make $1 million in less than 7 months if you do it. Will you do it? This is your Coach Baker. Team ready.